25 essential lean tools and techniques for operational excellence. Lean methodology is a powerful approach that enhances efficiency, reduces waste, and improves productivity across industries. Rooted in Toyota's manufacturing principles, Lean has evolved to include tools that target at waste elimination, process optimization, and quality improvement. At Brainow Consulting, we specialize in Lean and Six Sigma training, equipping professionals with the knowledge to implement these tools for measurable impact in their organizations. Here's an overview of 25 essential Lean tools and techniques. 1. 5S system sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. 5S creates organized, efficient workspaces by removing clutter, ensuring every item has a place, and promoting ongoing upkeep. 2. Value Stream Mapping, VSM. A visual tool that maps out each step in a process, identifying value-added and non-value-added activities. VSM is crucial for spotting inefficiencies and streamlining workflows. 3. Kaizen, continuous improvement, a philosophy encouraging small incremental improvements from all team members. Regular Kaizen events can foster a culture of continuous improvement and employee engagement. 4. Kanban, a visual scheduling tool that regulates workflow by signaling when resources are needed. Kanban boards help limit work in progress and promote flow, enhancing productivity and reducing bottlenecks. 5. Poker yoke, error proofing, techniques that prevent mistakes in processes, such as adding safeguards and fail-safes. Poker yoke reduces defects by ensuring that errors are detected and corrected immediately. 6. Standardized work. This practice involves documenting the best way to perform a task to ensure consistency and quality. Standardized work creates a baseline for improvement and simplifies training. 7. Single-minute exchange of dies, SMED. SMED reduces equipment setup times, enabling quicker transitions and more flexibility. It's especially useful in manufacturing for minimizing downtime. 8. Total Productive Maintenance, TPM. TPM aims for zero unplanned downtime by encouraging operators to perform routine maintenance, thereby improving machine reliability and efficiency. 9. And a visual alert system that highlights issues in real time, allowing immediate corrective actions. Andon helps prevent defects by encouraging team members to address problems as they arise. 10. Takt time. Takt time is the pace at which products need to be completed to meet customer demand. It helps align production with demand, avoiding overproduction and ensuring resources are used effectively. 11. Gemba walk. Managers and supervisors visit the Gemba, or actual place of work, to observe, understand, and support workers in solving problems. Gemba walks create alignment and reinforce lean practices on the shop floor. 12. Root cause analysis, 5 whys. This problem-solving tool involves asking why 5 times or more to identify the underlying cause of an issue. It's an essential technique for finding and fixing root causes. 13. Visual management. This involves using visual cues, such as charts, signs, and dashboards, to communicate information about processes, performance, and workflow. Visual management enhances transparency and coordination. 14. Flow and pull systems flow aims to create a seamless production process with minimal interruptions, while pull systems, such as Kanban, ensure that work is only initiated based on demand. Both techniques reduce waste and improve efficiency. 15. Mistake proofing, poker yoke. Similar to error proofing, mistake proofing involves making it difficult or impossible for errors to occur within the process, preventing defects before they happen. 16. Hoshin Kanri, policy deployment. A strategic planning approach that aligns company goals with operational activities, ensuring that all levels of the organization work towards shared objectives. 17. Cycle time reduction. Lean focuses on reducing cycle time, the time it takes to complete one cycle of a process, to increase throughput and meet demand faster, often without additional resources. 18. Bottleneck analysis. This analysis identifies the part of a process that limits overall output. Once bottlenecks are identified, targeted improvements can be made to increase process capacity. 19. Heijunka level scheduling, a production scheduling technique that evens out workload fluctuations, making processes more predictable and reducing stress on resources. 20. Jidoka automation. This lean principle allows machines or operators to detect abnormalities automatically and halt production to prevent defects, emphasizing quality at the source. 21. Daily stand-up meetings brief. Daily meetings where team members discuss tasks, challenges, and progress. Stand-ups improve communication, reinforce accountability, and keep teams aligned. 22. EOEE overall equipment effectiveness. A performance metric that combines availability, performance, and quality to provide a comprehensive view of equipment efficiency. Improving OEE can lead to significant productivity gains. 23. Rapid improvement events, Kaizen Blitz. Short, focused events where cross-functional teams address specific problems. Kaizen blitzes often yield immediate results and are effective for jump-starting lean initiatives. 24. Customer value identification. Lean centers around delivering value as defined by the customer. Identifying and prioritizing customer needs ensures that efforts focus on value-added activities. 25. Inventory control just-in-time. The just-in-time JITT principle aims to have inventory arrive only when needed, minimizing holding costs and reducing waste associated with overproduction. Implementing lean tools with Brainow Consulting. At Brainow Consulting, we provide comprehensive training and hands-on guidance on Lean and Six Sigma methodologies to help organizations maximize their efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Our extensive network of over 250 trainers and coaches ensures that you have access to specialized expertise tailored to your industry. Whether you're looking to implement lean principles on the production floor or in administrative processes, Brainow Consulting has the tools, knowledge, and training programs to help you achieve sustained improvement. Why choose Brainow Consulting for Lean and Six Sigma training? Practical focus. Our trainers emphasize practical application, ensuring that you and your team gain not only knowledge, but also the skills to implement lean tools in real-life scenarios. Experienced coaches. With a pool of seasoned Lean and Six Sigma experts, Brainow Consulting provides insights across a variety of sectors, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and finance. Customizable training programs. We understand that every organization has unique needs. Our programs are customized to align with your specific business goals and operational challenges. Certification opportunities. Our programs offer certification pathways, including Lean Six Sigma Green Belt and Black Belt, that validate your skills and boost your team's capabilities in driving continuous improvement. Long-term support and development. Beyond initial training, Brainow Consulting provides ongoing support through workshops, coaching sessions, and feedback, ensuring that lean principles become embedded in your organizational culture.